to introduce all the crew to you. Nobody turns the bike and opens the gas unless they can see where they're going.
You can take a look at where my position is. There's some references on the bike that help you. If you look, my left shoulder is pretty much over the gas cap.
Whatever riding level they turn up at, all we ask is that they go away as improved riders.
Have all your gears and all your brakes if you want to, but don't go silly, alright? Concentrate on the drill. Brakes. Don't let it all go to pop now, alright? Last session we did a little bit. Just keep an eye on the session. Alright? Happy go.
You come and find me, because I only know what your eyes look like at the moment. Okay, come and smile, and we'll talk, and we'll come on with a plan for the next one.
Okay, I'm your coach for today. And I spend the day following you. Sometimes I come in front. Give you the okay, off you go.
I would say that the important parameters in riding a motorcycle are, well, simply put, would be speed and direction.
Riding a motorcycle is more of an art form. I'd like to think of it as an art.
On top of this, involved with them physically on a bike and how they interact with the bike, what control actions they have and how they can do things like tightening lines and transition, concentrates much more on the rider and their body position.
Yeah, early on, when you would not go too fast there, and then when you turned the bike over, you would roll the throttle, and you would have a nice, steady, stable pace.
The students have been fantastic, really receptive. They take on all the information that we give them. The thing that I've noticed the most about the Indian riders is that they are exactly the same as every other rider on the planet.
And some of the smiling faces certainly at the end of the session when they've come in and said this has happened for them and they've had a revelation and it's an improvement in their own riding and they've achieved a goal for themselves, then that's worth everything. It's fantastic.
When we started this event 3 years ago, Preethi really was the major mover for this event.
And of course this event would not run without the enormous amount of work put in by all the guys at Preethi.